Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Gopaul. I've been in this lab since I was in grade 11. I started very early and I started as a volunteer, moved up to a research assistant. I did my topics, then I did my honors in my final year, graduated, and now I'm working as a research assistant. Recently, we've been working on a publication. It's looking at a specific marker, which is YWHEB. It has been shown in previous literature that YWHEB is involved with migration, proliferation, so cells just migrating to other parts of the body. So these are breast cancer cells, and also proliferation, which is like growing and dividing, as well as epithelial to mesenchymal transition, which means that they were local, so they were growing locally, and then they transition into mesenchymal phenotypes, which is them moving from their initial location to other locations. So we wanted to validate this in our lab. One way that we did it was we tried to localize the protein within the cell, so YWHEB protein. And here we're looking at real-time imaging. So in the green channel, you can see this is our YWHEB protein. The blue marks the cells. So they're looking at the cell nucleus. This is DAPI that is staining the nucleus. And so we're trying to figure out what are cells, first of all, and then where our protein is located. And as you can see, it's not located within the blue, so it's not within the nucleus, but it's surrounding it, which means that it's indicating that it's in the cytoplasm. And if we look at a merge image, we can see that it's in both areas, but primarily in the cytoplasm. So this was a novel finding for us, and it shows that YWHEB has functions in the cell cytoplasm, and this is important because it shows that it does not function to be like a transcription factor, stuff like that. It's out of the cell, so it could be helping with transportation and stuff like that. We're looking here at the nucleus, which is the core of the cell, so that's the middle of it. It contains your DNA information, genetic information, and then the cytoplasm, which is outside of the nucleus. So the nucleus is in the middle, let's just say hypothetically, of the cytoplasm. And on the outside of it are surrounding organelles, such as the mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. So we're trying to figure out where it's located, and it's very important, especially in biology, to know where these are, to know its functions. And so we found out that it's not in the nucleus where your genetic information is, but it's outside of the nucleus, which is the green here, as you can see. So it'd be interesting to look at where in the cytoplasm it's located specifically. Right now we can just see green everywhere, but if you look slightly closer, you can see that it's kind of like surrounding the nucleus. It'd be interesting to look farther into that.